Let's change the size of your Roblox avatar. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And let's open up your avatar customizer. Keep in mind, you can change your Roblox size to be bigger or smaller, wider or thinner, completely up to you. And it's all completely free. All you need to do is go in and customize him. Now you can see this is my current Roblox avatar. I'm going to go to head and body. And of course, the first thing is you're going to choose the head. In my case, I'm going to choose man face and hair and skin. And then you can choose torso and left arm, right arm. But let's go all the way over to build. This is where we can make him either wider or thinner, taller, shorter. However, keep in mind at the very bottom, if these are grayed out, you need to switch from R16 over to R15. After you've done that, you'll be able to see what these sliders do. So I can make him a lot larger or a lot smaller. I prefer the larger guy. And then body type, again, I can change the body type completely how I want. You'll be able to see as I go up to the top right on both of these, he gets quite a bit larger. And then I can also change his head size to be as large as I want. I can basically customize and control him to be exactly how I want.